Good afternoon, country people them. Plenty glad for joining head again for this side for Equinox at Tori House. Chapter by chapter, now we go to na Tori for this side. So for inside Douala, for side with Tori House, Itanap. Chapter 1, we go talk this palava waka for vex with village young people them. Inside village where they call them say Bangang, for side for Bambutus they make them. For Sika Palava land where they claim say na their own way another company. It don't can she done on top. Just now as we talk with the USA head small DO for that side. So for Bambutus, it happen security in Dongamen on top this palava for provoke. We use them for Bangang. They provoke say they want to take their land back. So for Tori for this afternoon, we go take unam. We talk palava for insecurity. Now some Okada man for quarter where they call them say Bono Kens from Bankomo, Yawende, where they meet up with thy body this morning time. Okada says they don't carry am go. Tori 2 for this afternoon, we go take una, we talk palava for vote where they come. Sabi say if SDF is also they absent inside National Assembly where they never deny, say they no go enter. Sabi say they don't talk say vote for 2020, forget new honor them and mayor them. They go turn up Popular Action Party we na pa Ayapol. It be they like a founder we is also turn up with just now. Nanjang Dennis it dey for on top that party. They don't talk. Say if place in no quiet, them they no go enter for inside vote for 2020. All this story them so plus other small one them we go bring them inside Tori for this afternoon plus newspaper them where they dey for we hand the guides and post the post Cameroon Insider and Horizon newspaper where they dey for we before. Big part talk for this afternoon it tell we say na only dog where it from hate na if he catch chuku beef. I say na only dog where he hate in the hot. Na way if he catch chuku beef inside bush. Big part talk it come out now for brother Fru Andrew Awambeng. She done for great support inside Beya. I return back small time. Good afternoon again, country people them. Sabi Seb say Douala today. We go to get to a man senior big man Ndamba team where they go campus more for Douala side here. They go to make training for Douala Omnisport Stadium. It go be around that kind of 4 o'clock. Then for 8 o'clock, Antonio Concesao where he been the coach for women Ndamba team. He go to meet up with Tori people them for 8 o'clock today for inside Sawa Hotel. So we get stranger them for Douala today. We senior man Ndamba team. They go make some more issue for that side for Bepanda Omnisport fee. The small picking on. Then for evening time, Antonio Concesao when the head boy for women Ndamba team. He go to talk with the Tori people them for Sawa Hotel for Douala side here. Maybe tomorrow we go see other one them inside Tori for Equinox Tori House. But for evening time already, when I go fit for see us where they make training for Douala small picking field for Omnisport field for Douala side here. Tori for this afternoon na palava for waka for vex where it is so youth them inside Bangang village. Country people them youth them for inside Bangang village. Na them that way they see them so where they come out with all their thing the way they use spray kaka. They don't carry them for their back. They say they want to take them land back. The land where they so they sabi say na their land where some company where it did inside palava for tea. It take them for their hand according to where they talk them. They say normal now CDC it be fair she done on top the land. Then CDC can't left the land now. Then they give them for different people them. So they be wake up, they talk say they want them back the land. For Sika say they no get place where they go make farming again and say they fit plant cocoa or even corn chop for inside. Tori way enter with EM, he make them say this boy them as well they provoke, they want go start to work on top the land. The a man way he talk for the company where they don't shit down on top. He try for beg the young boy them for try for talk for them, say make them calm down, say make them no vex for Sika say they so. Then say they don't charge try for look inside the palava. So this young boy them, they talk say that land where they be shidon on top, now land where normal them say they be don't get for even the chop on top the land. But as we talk, a big man for the company where he did for that side for Bangang, he be shidon, he talk with the population where they be come out for make this worker for vex. On top that palava country people them, they don't shidon. With the yes this afternoon for that side, so for Bambutos, DO, it go dey happen and Dongamen, where they go try for look inside this palava, where it cause these people them for Bangang village, for that side, so for Bambutos, for Komot, where they talk say the one land, where they talk say na their land, as we Tori enter for we ear. So by tomorrow, we go talk for them, as we Dongamen with DO, for that side, for Bambutos SF, it happen now. And waiting, they don't conclude on top this palava for land where young boy them for village or Bangang they come out say they want them back. They according to them company where they shidon on top of this land it no be get right for shidon on top as with them say they cry hungry they no get no nothing for chop as with Tori enter for insides we hear. We go left for that palava just now. Make we hear wait some of these people them talk for we man for that side. So for inside Buddha, Raphael Cheko.
Here today because we no get something for picking them for chop because the place CDC we don't take and so we get so no man of the work for the we no get place for work because we get energy for work. So we don't decide say we will come do the work for you so that picking them go chop for us for picking them forget energy so that they no go big again they hungry.
Well, we there for here so because we there for village we know the city where we fit chop and where place them there for here where cow them na only cow them they capture for day where for chop no day and where we there so native na because native we don't make we don't also we will come for here but now see how we will fit do before chop some small thing for village.
Yes, now the population said that people then when they be come out on top that chapter for land, we go surely bring on as where the Tori happen, then Dongamen waiting the talk. Tomorrow when we meet up for the last one for the week. Just now we go take una two, we talk this other one will happen now for inside the Douala here. Now for that side, so for inside Paul, for Douala way they so work people them, they call them say Doka, them say they be come out, they say provoke, Sabi say some Tori be don't happen sometime when they be talk say make people them company will be the lookout seaport make it come out as we Tori enter for we ear. So these people them with them say they be na docker them one day they walk inside the seaport for this side so for Douala them too they don't come out for outside for try for support that book where it is so they be sign them say make that company it come out for inside seaport them too they come out for try for talk say make it come out make they give place for on a new company for try for come look out as we tin them inside seaport it happen so them too they be make some small work for vex just for before seaport it be dinner on Thursday as Wednesday as we Tori he enter for inside we ear now only chapter for vex as we Tori enter for we ear so them too they put hand now for support say make company where they don't talk say make it come out make no palava politic it no make them they left the company for so the lookout Port Authority inside Douala here. We go take una now, we enter for this other chapter, na palava for water, for side for Kumbu, country people them, inside village for Kumbu side, for Norwest, as soon as the Siam, water, you know, they come out for tap, as soon as I don't notice them, as soon as I said the Siam, tap it up, but no one eye water, you know, they come out for day at all. And this one, it don't take for plenty time. Sabi Seb say, as well the palava for Norwest, Southwest, a day, plenty of the people there, they work for company, where the local water too, they no fee waka reach for combo, for sick, I said them too, they fear their hate. So people then just now, they turn up now for long line, for carry water them for well, when a place too where they carry water, for see whether they feed drink, or use water, say where they use and cook. Also one then say, they come now drive for down this side for can carry water where it come out for inside that pipe so we as we Tori enter for we here and there are small picking them and maybe even big people them but if you no go for time you no go fit for carry water the kind of condition where the people them for combo say they suffer now where you don't look so these Caritas people them for inside Catholic, them too they don't see am so they don't show sorry heart just now. They prepare as soon as they see that stone them, they prepare for make water for this population for inside that quarter. Now for Kumbu, for Norwest, for say make them to they start for drink better water as we Tori enter for we EM. Now Caritas, they define way for say make quarter say it try get better water where they drink so that Pikins they no go the sick and mommy they no go spend plenty money for go buy water. We go take una, we enter now for this other palaver for insecurity. Now for place where they call am say Bonukens inside Mbankomo, Yawende. This morning time, population for Bonukens, they wake up for meet up na die body for some Okada man for corner road. This die body for this Okada man country people them as we Tori enter for we ear. It dey so way they don't beat the Okada. So they last as we Tori enter we ear. They broke even the back head. They say they don't call Ketu them plenty time. Ketu they talk say moto it no be there for Cam City we don't pass since yesterday. So they this morning time. But last as we Tori enter for we EM near them na them be last camp for that side. So for place where they call them Bonukens for Cam City where don't pass near the be there and they come to it doctor them for say me they check the die body as well they finish check that die body con the people them they meet up a telephone where be so they for inside the Okada money pocket now where they don't use and call a family people then say me they can't carry the die body. Sabi say the people there they meet up this Okada man they naki gi court Kili carry Okada go they met left na only die body for roadway population can meet up and for Bonukens inside the Yawende this morning time. Make we here wait away some Okada man he try for talk for we on top this palaver for Bonukens Yawende.
My brother, una see how we by people they suffer in the country. Suffer so they die for country so for our own country. Now by Manda they don't kill them late night, take it back, take money again na pesky. We will not be able to self even identify it. Since we don't call police people, they say they can't identify the cops. They need one cam, they say motor no day. But if not say by people they strike because only their zone of working. They don't say no. Why would I strike? They will send one of police people there without being heavy them, arm them, if they can't fight people, they don't go weapons them. Now can account to this whole day for day. Una look at that body that since yesterday where they don't call police people there. Those are them dead. They say motor no day, but they get motor who amount car they come up follow people there, they can't knock people there, they don't go after them. Una see them. So when they say now government get for see how if you do. For see I say me they track down people them. Me they put all that police people there, they come out say they want.
We go left that palaver for our Yawende with that Okada man. We enter for inside Edea na for Douala side SSF we dey so. Edea side na current we Tori enter for we ESA current. It don't suck some young boy so they kill him for side where they call him say Edea. And as we country people then talk, they say be dey inside house. Maybe if you want take na phone for current we don't put him na for the way current is sucky. So the whole quarter it come out. All man is surprised. Even Ketu them for central Ketu station for side for Edea. They be come out for come make small constar as well they ever do for Sabi wait to really pass. So one person it don't die for side for Edea for Seka Apalaba for current way is sucky. We take una, we go for side where they call am say Bamenda, as well na the Cedar Hill so na for place where they call am Sisia under for side for up station. The hill plenty people that they consider like place where normal people they also get for the Shidon for that place. But just now the place where they for up station, it don't turn a place where population that the Shidon. Even all kind of talk where people they don't talk for say make people they know Shidon for the place where they call am say Sisia. It never make am say make population. Shidon, e no so dey continue for art. They don't try for say make our population over plenty, but as we time dey go, na so to population for inside CCR e dey add. Someone the day wey dey only find way for only continue for B house, and all the place na part of the danger zone dem wey we don so continue for talk. Now for sake as we dey sensitize for say make thing wey happen for inside Bafusam, e no happen too for any other place for inside country. Small time they go talk say if I be sabi, if you be sabi with the talk and just now, maybe even government sef, if you try for take small condition, e try for see as we e go help people them for this side. Make we hear them talk for Mbu Stella in microphone.
For this place, as you see me, so I be the work job more blocks when I pay, because I dey stay for the place when I reach place, so I no get me any place to stay. So I no get no choice to stay there because I no get any place to go there.
I know say na risk, but the only thing I say money no be there for go for find place, go buy place. Ever fear na say some other if you collapse to if you do now because he dey na for you try for up there. Right for up that side because some feed day for up here where they play ball for them.
Don't say rich day. More than 10 years. Right there for you. No, not it. Because I don't say because me I want come for here so people them there. And I no nothing.
For this.
And now for inside politics, for talks waiting, Social Democratic Front Party for Ni John Frundi. Sabi say as we parliament is start for Yawende, their own chair. It be dey empty, and they don't talk say even as so this place it dey empty, e no mean say they no go enter. They say when time e reach, they check say they go fit for enter, they go turn back for Shidon on top their empty chair they will be dey as we National Assembly is start. And according to a head boy for this parliament people them for SDF he talk he don't talk say na just time where they wait for see say when thing they show, particularly if National Assembly start talk palava for Northwest and Southwest and palava for Tiwe dey for inside that special status, they go enter for inside. Now, plenty people them, they sabi say SDF don't pay talk say they so palava for vote for 2020 or 2020. Them say they no go Shidon inside that vote, but plenty they don't surprise say last they don't change our minds as we Ni John Frundi chairman. He don't talk say make all people they prepare their book them for say make they enter for inside this palava for vote. According to one of the men, a strong man for inside SDF, he talk for we they call it say Dennis. Yes, he too he try for tell we say thing wey SDF don't do and just now no be now say they the fear, but now for sick say the one job prepares for say if anything one be make the no one prepare where they talk say they don't already late. Now why that way they so they prepare for enter, but chapter for parliament as where they talk they go enter when they see say they don't start for talk till we consign Northwest and Southwest for end that gun way they holler for them and wait way they inside that special status where they want give for Northwest and Southwest. Now that way they go fit for Shidon for National Assembly, but that one for vote they don't talk say lie to lie. They continue for prepare for see say 2020 e no just can pass so for that before then it go be now saying that themselves they don't losses are plenty. If SDF he don't talk say he go turn back for inside vote for 2020, people them for Popular Action Party PAP when a pa I be found we just now Dennis Njang nice SB they like the head boy them they don't talk say vote for 2020 number 9 day inside the number 2 moon them they no go enter for day according to book way he dey so person for PAP he sign the head boy he try for talk say he dey so this palava for them. According to them, if war e never finish for Northwest and Southwest, they no go enter for the vote, and if all people there they catch them, they never come out, they no go enter for votes. Even palava for electoral codes, if they no try for change and for setting them better, they no go enter for votes. And people there they don't run come out outside country, if they never turn back, then they no go enter for votes. So now just some of the things then that way PAP, Popular Action Party people them for PAIA, they don't talk say if all the things they know they before 2020. Then forget they no go dey them inside vote for legislative and municipal. Just now make we hear way Oga Dennis Njang when a headman for a Popular Action Party he talk for we people them for Yawende Gizogo
for our meeting and we don't decide say the election where Mr. Biya we go organize on the 9th of February 2020. That is the municipal and parliamentary election. So Popular Action Party don't decide for not take part for that kind of election, because we don't notice the election be dubious and a lot of fraud already be, and especially when we don't call for a ceasefire and end of hostility for the two English-speaking regions where it never still be respected. Thousands of people they still be arrested inside prison, and we see have so many of them where they under terrible condition, where they undergo terrible condition for prisons and for Cameroon where they never be released. We see have about 50,000 people then for Nigeria as refugees and other neighboring countries, and more than 500,000 people they internally displaced for other areas them because of a stupid war where Mr. Biya don't call them. And the electoral code where the managed election be too poor, where we don't tell me they change them but they don't deny. And the electoral body, the poor electoral body, was also and say now a way where President Paul Biya and the CPDM regime they want confiscate for maintain power.
And just for Sabi says also for on top this palaver, Oga Denis Njang, he talks more thing on top palaver for national man-to-man talk where he just finished, where he passed for 30. So
money for people where they don't contribute them, they don't go in vain for the name of a so-called dialogue, where at the end we don't even know the hate forward for that dialogue. And then even as of now, the political atmosphere and the economic conditions for the country not enable any sincere election for take place for any part of the country. So because of this, we don't realize say Mr. Biya not be ready for resolve this problem where it don't be for the 3 years now, and we the Popular Action Party would call for immediate resignation of Mr. Biya, where a new country will be created with a new people and a new country. Thank you very much. And we of the Popular Action Party, we don't decide say we're not going to take part for this election.
Yes, and Sabi say any person wey wan run for that election for 2020, number 9 day for number 2 moon for inside 2020, 25 day for this moon. Now the last day where they get for keep all their document them where they show say they want be inside that chapter according to way book. It don't sign them. We go left that palaver just now. We enter for inside the Nguti na subdivision under Kupe Manenguba. As soon as the new divisional officer from Nguti, they put it for inside the office for empty place. Yes, the population where they be get for B-Day for see the new divisional officer, they no be there. So now only Oga SDO for Kupe Manenguba, Jean-Marie Chakwi, and the uniform people them and 1 or 2 people them, they be there for grandstand. Grandstand, one at the CM, it don't take where they never use the grandstand. It means say for 6 days in Gando, they go quickly go chapter the grandstand for say make Gando say it happen. New DO from Nguti subdivision, one of the two we get for Duam. Now for say when next time they want make any Gando for the grandstand, all place it get for full up. It no go be na only uniform people them or people there they work for Ngomna office or who. But all people them for inside town they be get for the day. Now grandstand that big grandstand una see say they don't just chapter that place. Grass is also the day where they never even gather and burn am for see say na place that way Ngando get for pass. Now for the way DO it don't take chair. And just now he get for try for see as well Nguti it go turn back to normal. You understand? He get for make sure say Nguti turn back to normal. Now empty grandstand they be there where they be putting for chair. So one of the team now say get for bring people them back inside Nguti. One the way they dey for inside just now as well Sabi. Now one the way they must be for inside. So population from Nguti, who side they be there where they be put their new DO. Now the big question that we all put they ask him. He don't take chair, but he gets plenty work and the work now for say Nguti. It start hot as way it be ever hot. Ngando the way they go the pass for year. Make people them full up for day. Make it no be na only them for inside the Ngando place. So it don't chop chair and plenty work. It dey for your hand. Now, as well, the talk on top this palaver for Northwest Southwest, Sabi say near them too for that side. So from Bangam, where we Sabi under Mongo division, where they dey for boundary with a plenty town them for our town them or place them for Southwest. They don't also continue for work as Sabi say big commander, Chope Nyem and even Esaga Bonaventure. All them they also continue for make a surprise attack them for places and where they say that boy them they ever come for worry. One of the the surprise waka wey dey make am dey catch this be dem close wey e dey so dey meet up am inside one of the camp wey dey talk say dey be meet up am, dey be attack for that side. So for inside door dey meet up all these small greenba dem wey dey see am, dey bring am up for town as wey tori enter for we ear. Apart from this small greenba dem too, dey meet up plenty bag dem, plenty big bag dem from Banga. Yes, that strong grass where you smoke am, you go dey see me, you go dey check say I don been as some president for inside the whole well. So apart from this small greenba the way they show we where they meet up am inside that camp where they say they go make am, they meet up even this paper them, all them na small bag, small paper them for Banga. When I sabi say where you smoke that one, so ya hate it the turn other kind. If you talk any kind of way, you get some kind of work or you no can find. So the commandant them for Nye for side from Banga side, Chope Nyem and even Bonaventure Isaga, they don't also continue for see as way they go make peace for that village and where they so they ever get attacked for some boy them where they hold gun for can worry people them for inside place where they call them say Banga. Just now, as we be talk for now, for Morning Town, no be fish for show now. Sabi say trouble day too for Hong Kong, no be na small. Trouble day for Hong Kong. People the day where they vex for sick as say condition for country no they work fine. And uniform people then too, they never leave am. They dey for their back so take time no day. No be na palava say na lock mop. Una see no? Hong Kong for here, na China side. Place in the hot. People there they vex, they don't cover their skin. Uniform people then too they dey for their back. They talk say as well they no want to say make country turn fine. Them they go dey. For here, you even see Tory people that they wear something that they be for back uniform people them before inside country here. Tory people they no even get chance. You get one day where they come out for work, they want turn back. Wait no day. So one day where they only be forced for bend down with their umbrella. Only for try for see as way they go support other people them. But as way all the things then so they happen. You sabi say na woman it dey look on Hong Kong. The woman for Hong Kong, he don't talk say all that people them where they the one make confusion for inside Hong Kong. Now people them way they no get correct member for inside Hong Kong. They no want to say make Hong Kong go for before. So tin them they the trunk for that side. Make we see small on top this palava as way the tin it trunk for Hong Kong. We go take una just now. We enter fast for one of the newspaper them waiting the get for talk inside the Guardian Post. So outside this morning time they tell we as we SDF he don't go for before come for back as we they don't talk say vote for 2020 they go answer present. You feel it another Tory as we they so another landslide wey happen for that side. So for inside Bafusam as we hear he don't kill some people them again. Other Tory the way if you for read them he dey plenty inside the Guardian Post. So day outside this afternoon. So for another newspaper will look for inside. Now the post weekender where it day outside country people them inside the post weekender they tell we as we plenty Cameroon people then just now they don't divide on top this February number 9 day where they get for make vote for legislative and municipal inside we country. If you read that chapter Paris Peace Ndongamen they tell we as we Nkunkuma Sesef he don't talk as we they try for make bring different culture inside Anglophone them own culture. Say that one it don't make plenty people them for country they shine their eye. Other to read them you go read them for the post weekend away day outside. We enter for inside the Cameroon insider or we take una go for the Horizon where they outside this afternoon. They tell we number 9 day for February we vote it get for pass SDF it go day present as we the Horizon newspaper talk for we. You go read Tori palava for Michel Doki Seseb where he don't talk say this so he too he don't announce say he go be one of the person for inside parliament as we vote in the camp. Felix Mbayu Seseb minister he too he dey for inside Tori this afternoon waiting he talk for Donald Trump country. You fit for read them inside the Horizon way they outside Cameroon insider he tell we say Paris Peace Ndongamen he don't finish. Nkunkuma, he don't glad plenty for Sika say he don't put Cameroon flag for up in the proper SDF2. If you read their story where they don't talk say vote for 2020, they go enter for them. Other a strong number them. If you read them for Cameroon inside the way they outside this afternoon. Case for person wey don lost, we dey to for week before. Country people them, we get this boy where they call it say Yetna Gabriel Atu or Otto. Yetna Gabriel Otto, as well they call him. This pikin he get 18 years and they talk say come up for their house. Number 5 day for this moon after we get plenty quarrel with Imami, and so he come up for house in no turning back again for their family house for that side, so for Bonapriso place where they call am say Petit Paris. They say this pikin e dey talk fine for Emmanuel Macron country talk, and na final year pikin for inside college for Douala side here. So just now Ogam baby Pierre e dey beg any person where he don't see this a pikin Yetna Gabriel author say make it call the tigni number the way they for before tell him 676-422-769 650-99-868, or if you bring it for Equinox Tori House, they say dash it wait you. Now to read that for this afternoon, we go turn back for some time or Tinwaka Fine. Thank you plenty Carlos Minue. We say thank you to Francis Boyon, Malice and Nadine, and even you, Lionel Deco, with this hip you big salute for side for Yawende. On a whole, I'm tight.